Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to stop automatic uploading of your photos to Google Photos. First, open your Google Photos. And then on the upper right part of your screen, tap on your profile. And then go to Google Photo Settings. Tap on that. And then tap on Backup. And then from here, turn off your backup on the phone so that photos will not be automatically be saved to Google Photos. Other option is to make sure, go to your settings, then search for Google Photos. And then here, tap on Photos. And then allow photo access, tap on None. That way, photos on your phone or any videos and photos that you take on your phone will not automatically be saved to your Google Photos. And that's how to stop automatic uploading of photos to your Google Photos. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.